Good day guys, on another day, another job. For today's topic, we will do 2000 running hours PMS of LP sour screw compressor. Okay guys, a brief information. An LP compressor or low pressure compressor on board ship is mainly used to supply compressed air that do not require very high pressure like the starting air system. Typically, working pressure of LP compressor is around 6 to 10 bar depending on the vessel design. Control air usually uses on board for pneumatic control valves, boiler control systems, remote operated valves, engine control systems, and other automation system on board. Okay guys, as per the manual, the 2000 running hours maintenance, what we need to do is to replace the cooling fluid filter, also the separator, replace air filter, check safety valve, lubrication of motor, and general servicing of compressor. Let's go! So guys, right now we are installing the air filter. Meanwhile, the motorman is preparing the connection for draining the oil inside the lube oil tank. When everything is ready and prepared, we can now drain the oil. And now guys, we're going to remove the cooling liquid filter using the special tools called strap wrench. Next, we will remove the cooling fluid separator.
Kala ko'y payapa, boses mo'y tumatawag pa. Pinauman na ang lahat, di na pa naman na kinsukat. Ngunit ba't ba andito pa rin? Hirap na kong intindi. Tanging panalangin, lubayan na sana. Dahil sa bawat tingin, mukha mo'y nakikita. Kahit saan man mapunta ay anino mo'y kumakapit sa'king kamay. Ako ay dahan-dahan nililibing ang buhay pa. Hindi na makalaya, tinatalo mo kung bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, hapos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na.
And now guys, we will now install the new cooling fluid separator and the filter. So guys, reminder guys, you don't need to tight so much this filter. Hand tight actually is enough.
Hindi na makagising, bas hindi na ng ilaw. Minumulto
And now guys, we will also include the filter for the air dryer. And this is how the air dryer filter looks like. So that's it guys, that's how the 2000 running hours PMS for sour screw compressor. Okay guys, see you next video. Safety first always.